turkey. This the chip dip, and the strawberry, the mustard, the onions, the Miracle Whip, the pretzels, that
lettuce,
stuff.
Philadelphia cream cheese,
and the lettuce. We eat
French
everything.
onion dip.
and we got more
mustard.
on YouTube. So check out Factor Def.
Fear Factor.
Yeah,
He said
Fear Factor. Fear Factor. And we got some good shows for y'all. Okay, now we're gonna be eating this. One.
No, we can't get 10. We can't get 10.
Nah, come on, just eat it. That's what you get.
I'm good. I can swallow mine. I can swallow it. I can swallow it. Hey.
Dang, Cara. Oh, goodness. Dang, carbonate his.
If it wasn't for this cookie. Was it for this, the icing, I couldn't swallow. It was nasty.
Okay. Dang, boy, how you eating that? Well, this is the one that wanted to do the Fear Factor, so that's why he's eating it.
Barbecue tastes good.
Oh, goodness. So guess who won Fear Factor? Go on and say it. Who won Fear Factor?
I could swallow the ice. It was.
All right. Congratulations, you won. You ain't swallowing though. Oh, okay.
We did too.
You won.